This rapper's house looks like a luxury hotel. And trust me, you've never seen anything like it before. Today, we're stepping inside Drake's $100 million mega mansion, also known as The Embassy. From gold-plated interiors to a basketball court that feels like an NBA arena, this is pure billionaire energy. Drake, the Canadian rapper, singer, and global superstar, has built a fortune worth over $250 million. Known for his chart-topping hits, lavish lifestyle, and love for luxury, Drake decided to create a home that would make a statement. And trust me, this house is more than a mansion. It's a palace. Located in Toronto's exclusive Bridle Path neighborhood, this estate spans 50,000 square feet of pure luxury. Yes, 50,000 square feet. Designed by Canadian architectural designer Ferris Raffauli, the mansion is inspired by classic and modern elements, combining opulence with sophistication. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by an entrance hall that looks like a 5-star hotel lobby. We're talking 44-foot-high ceilings, a massive chandelier that costs more than most houses, and intricate marble flooring imported from Italy. The walls? They're adorned with custom bronze and exotic wood finishes. This is luxury at its finest. The Great Room is the centerpiece of the mansion, a 3,200 square foot living space with a grand piano, crystal chandeliers, and walls decorated with priceless artwork. The furniture is custom made, featuring materials like rare woods, marble, and even 24-karat gold detailing. Every inch screams elegance and exclusivity. Now let's talk about one of Drake's favorite spots, the NBA-sized indoor basketball court. This isn't just a court, it's an experience. It features a massive LED scoreboard, state-of-the-art lighting, and even OVO branded details everywhere. Drake is a huge basketball fan, and this court proves it. It's literally a private NBA arena inside his house. The Embassy also features a world-class lounge that looks like a luxury nightclub. We're talking plush seating, mood lighting, a custom bar with gold finishes, and an atmosphere that's perfect for VIP parties. Drake has thrown some legendary parties here, and if walls could talk, these would have some stories. Drake's master bedroom is bigger than most apartments, and it's pure sophistication. A 4,000-pound black marble bathtub sits in the bathroom, and the bedroom opens up to a private terrace overlooking the estate. The entire suite is designed for comfort, elegance, and of course, ultimate privacy. Outside, Drake's love for cars shines through. His collection includes a Bugatti Veyron, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, a Lamborghini Aventador, and custom luxury vehicles that scream uniqueness. His garage looks like a showroom, polished floors, perfect lighting, and high-end details everywhere. So why does this mansion cost $100 million? The answer lies in the details. Custom designs, rare materials, and a level of craftsmanship that few homes in the world can match. Every chandelier, every marble slab, every piece of art, handpicked and installed to perfection. This is not just a home, it's a statement of power and prestige. So, what do you think of Drake's $100 million mansion? Would you live here? If you had the chance, let me know in the comments. And if you love seeing luxury homes of the world's biggest stars, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more billionaire lifestyle tours.